In this video, I'll show you how to invite friends on Bitget Wallet and earn rewards together. First, open the Bitget Wallet app and unlock it. On the home screen, look for options like Invite, Rewards, Referral, or sometimes a small gift icon in the menu or profile section. Tap on that to open the invite or referral page. Here you'll see your unique invite link, QR code, and sometimes a referral code. Before you share anything, quickly check the rules on the same page. You'll usually find details about what you and your friends can earn, which actions qualify, and any time limits or requirements. To invite friends, tap Share and choose where you want to send your link. For example, Telegram, WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or any social app. You can also copy the link and paste it into your own message or post. Remind your friends to register or connect using that link or code so the invitation is tracked correctly. After that, you can return to the same invite/rewards page to see your referral history, how many friends joined, and any rewards you've earned. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.